Our verse for today is in James chapter 1, verses 5 to 10. If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. But when you ask, you must believe and not doubt, because the one who doubts is like a wave of the sea blown and tossed by the wind. The person should not expect to receive anything from the Lord. Such a person is double-minded and unstable in all they do. Believers in humble circumstances ought to take pride in their high position. But the rich should take pride in their humiliation, since they will pass away like a wild flower. That's our verse today. What did you guys get?
Be humble.
Uh-huh.
Bakit yan parang sinabi rich person ba?
Ano? But the rich should take pride in their humiliation, since they will pass away like a wild flower.
Ano yan? Parang pwedeng rich
Pwede ka
mayaman
mamatay.
yan, di ba? So
Mamatay
pwedeng mawala
anytime.
lahat yan anytime or mabilisan lang.
Mawala, oh.
So
Wala lahat
kailangan
ng kayamanan
humble
mo.
ka pa rin. So talagang dati pa no, may mahirap at mayaman na ano.
Mm.
Sa Bible.
Oo.
Huwag daw tayo mag-expect anything right away kapag nag-ask ka kay Lord.
Huwag kang mag-expect anything.
And don't
Right
doubt
away.
Lord.
Kasi,
God will give it to you.
Kasi hindi naman mangyari agad eh. It's always on perfect timing. Huwag ka nung mag-expect agad na mabalik agad or ma-approve yung hinihingi mo.
yeah.
In short.
Okay.
Ako, sinasabi dito na, sinabi dun sa first verse natin today, if any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault. Ito yung gusto ko dito eh. Without finding fault. Who gives generously to all without finding fault. So, ibig sabihin, sino man ang humingi kay Lord ng wisdom or ng kahit ano, sabi niya dito, it will be given to you. Sabi. And ang pinakamaganda doon is humihingi ka sa Diyos na hindi niya kailanman tiningnan ang mga pagkakamali mo. Di ba? Napakaganda. Na humihingi ka sa Diyos. Kasi sa totoo lang, minsan nakakahiyang lumapit kay Lord. Kasi alam natin yung mga kasalanan natin. Alam natin hindi tayo perfecto. Di ba? Ang kapal naman ng mukha natin na lumapit kay God, di ba? Na hihingi lang tayo or lalapit lang tayo sa Kanya pag may kailangan tayo. Di ba? Minsan, ang utak natin is ganon. Pero sinasabi sa DBS natin ngayon na huwag kang mag-aalinlangan lumapit sa Diyos. Kasi sinasabi dito na He is generous. At ang pinakamaganda dito ay hindi niya tinitingnan yung mga kasalanan at pagkakamali natin in the past. Sabi rin dito, pero sinasabi dito at pinapaalalahanan din tayo na dapat kapag humingi tayo sa Panginoon is dapat maniwala tayo at huwag tayong magda-doubt na ibibigay niya yun sa atin. And sinasabi rin dito na dapat huwag tayong pabago-bago ng isip. Sinasabi dito na huwag kang magda-doubt sa Panginoon. Yun ang pinaka-importante doon. Kasi kung magda-doubt ka sa Panginoon, ibig lang sabihin nun, feeling mo hindi kaya ni Lord yung hinihingi mo. Diba? Itatandaan mo, God is the creator of everything you see. Diba? And everything you have. So, imposibleng hindi niya ibibigay sa'yo yung bagay na kailangan mo. Diba? Or yung pinagpipray mo. As long as He will, as long as He is willing to do it, then, walang rason para hindi niya ibigay yun sa'yo. Lalo na if that thing na pinagpipray mo is something that will glorify Him as well. Diba? So, ipag-pray mo lang, maniwala ka, at wag kang magda-doubt. Okay? Anything you wanna add? Okay.